The most important asset for a clinician is your clinical skills to differentiate remedies when it comes to acute prescription. Last week, we had a patient of severe menorrhagia. And you know how it feels when you're having a patient who's bleeding for 10 to 12 days profusely, changing pads frequently, and the blood is not stopping. And the most interesting part was she was a homeopath and she had taken most indicated remedies. Now, in such a case, what is the thing that you need to wait for? We need to always wait for something which is very peculiar, something which will stand out from the rest of the symptoms, not the totality. So she gave me a very interesting symptom that every time there was a profuse flow, she used to faint. Now, this fainting is a symptom which is there in many remedies, but it is for you to differentiate between the other remedies too. So when we inquired further, she said that, sir, even if I move slightest in the bed on the chair, the flow would start. This was another added feature. One information which we already knew was that she had fibroids. She was at a menopausal age. Slightest motion would aggravate. Now you must be already thinking of what the remedy can be. And yes, you guessed it right. We gave her the remedy Trillium. But the remedies that came very close was the remedy Ipecac, the remedy Lachesis, the remedy Eustilago. Now all these remedies had most of the features, but each of them lacked one. Like if you say Eustilago, Eustilago has fibroid. It is useful for menopausal age bleeding. It has motion aggravates, but it does not have fainting. Eustilago patient won't tell you that he has fainting during bleeding. Lachesis would always have the fainting, will have the profuse bleeding. Now, but in Lachesis, it is also a remedy for the menopausal age also. But the slightest motion aggravates is not a feature of Lachesis. If you see Ipecac, it has most of the features like Trillium, but it lacks something very important, the pathology. It does not cover the pathology. So it is very important that the remedy covers the pathology, it covers the peculiarity, and if it covers the phase of life, all the more good. So it is like a phasic pathological simillimum, Trillium pendulum, during menopause, one of the remedies that hardly fails in cases of menorrhagia. Try using and come back with your feedbacks.